Rest your ribeyes on the counter for 30 minutes before cooking and season with salt and pepper. Bake mac and cheese at 375 Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. Add a couple of tablespoons of avocado oil to a smoking hot cast iron pan. Lay in your ribeyes and sear for 1 to 2 minutes on each side. Then you want to go ahead and rest your steaks for 6 to 8 minutes or until 145 degrees Fahrenheit internal for medium rare. Blanch some asparagus in salted boiling water and saute them with butter, salt, and pepper when ready to serve. Mac and cheese is ready with all of our sides, and this is our final spread, complete with Snoop's Cali Red and all of our sides. We don't usually eat meat, but when we do, we go big. Look at this, perfect sides, and all that steak was perfectly medium rare. Ciao.